The airline industry, once grounded by the pandemic, is now ready to soar to new heights. After facing unprecedented challenges and a loss of $140 billion, the industry is on the brink of a remarkable comeback. Leading the charge is Copa Holdings, a dominant force in the Latin American airline market. With over 300 daily flights to 78 destinations across 32 countries, Copa Airlines is destined for growth as air travel in the Latin American region expands. And with a strong track record of dividend growth and market performance, Copa Holdings is primed to capitalize on the post-pandemic travel boom. Meanwhile, International Airlines Group is set to increase in price following the flight demand increase. With a stellar performance in 2023, including record-breaking revenues of $37.5 billion, IAG is positioned for success as international travel rebounds. As leisure and corporate travel bounce back, analysts predict that IAG will continue its upward trajectory in the years to come. So if you're looking to invest in the future of air travel, consider Copa Holdings and International Airlines Group 2024 and beyond.